Did you know there are actually 3 levels of ham radio licenses in the United States? With the level 1 technician license, you can communicate around your local community with a handheld like this one. Think of it like a super high-powered walkie-talkie with extra capabilities. With the level 2 general license, you can use an HF or high-frequency ham radio like this one to communicate all around the world, even with just a basic wire antenna, no internet, no cell phone required. And with the level 3 amateur extra license, you get access to the full amateur radio spectrum, special call signs, international operating privileges, and more. You see, these ham radios give you a lot more power than just basic off-the-shelf walkie-talkies. And they're a lot more powerful than CB or GMRS radios too. That's why we created Ham Radio Prep, a program that makes it fast and easy to get your ham radio license in less than a week, studying just a couple of hours in your free time on our website and mobile app. When disaster strikes and the grid goes down during hurricanes, wildfires, or cyber attacks, ham radio can be your lifeline, keeping you connected when all other forms of communication fail. But it's not just for emergencies. You'll be joining a community of nearly 750,000 operators in the US and over 3 million operators worldwide who all share a passion for radio and communication. You can talk to people all over the world, send off-grid emails over WinLink, communicate with satellites, or even talk to an astronaut on the International Space Station right from your own backyard. You can join ham radio contests, operate from your vehicle, maybe even learn Morse code, although Morse code isn't required to get your license anymore. And with the Ham Radio Prep program, getting your license is a breeze. You can even do it all online. We're running an offer right now where you can get access to all 3 levels of our ham radio license program, plus a free ham radio basics course that actually teaches you how to operate your radio, all for just $79. That's an insanely good deal. And if that wasn't enough, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't pass your exam on the first try after taking our program. So what are you waiting for? Go to www.hamradioprep.com and sign up today and try a free lesson to see how our study system works. Oh, and don't just take it from me. We've had over 60,000 students and we have an excellent rating on Trustpilot. Here's what some of our students had to say.
My favorite thing about Ham Radio Prep is the overall organization and structure of the material. The video lesson, backed up by a written lesson, reinforces the material immediately, followed by practice tests.
Your explanations are phenomenal. The way you keep everything simple and the way you organize the question, you really cannot not learn.
Definitely the videos and the mobile app, because the mobile app I could sit down anytime I had just a minute or two, I could still get a few questions in.
Stop stressing yourself. Do what you need to do. Use the app. Take the test.
I'm James, amateur radio call sign N0WRL, so get your call sign too, and I'll hear you on the air soon.